Good morning, Sanders here. This is my second video, a do-it-yourself repair video. 5th of May, 2020, pandemic. I hope you guys are safe. Let's proceed. So yeah, have you experienced the damaged cruiser blade, SanDisk, the USB flash drive, the plastic ones, something like this? That tip, it can easily be damaged if you're using your USB frequently. And I've searched on YouTube. Everything is complicated. So I have an idea, a simpler one. What you need to have is a cutter, a ruler, an old SIM card, and an instant glue. I use Mighty Bond. So first I want you to pry open your USB. So this is my USB. Disregard that one. Because of those videos on YouTube, it was severely damaged. It doesn't work for me. Okay, I want you to pry it open. Let's pry it open. Only one hand. The other one is holding the camera. Okay, yeah. I want you guys to take this out. The flash memory chip. Okay? And with your old SIM card, I want you to cut the same size with a flash memory chip. I've already done that. Okay, something like this. Smart SIM card. What you need to do is, put some glue on it and put it on top of your SIM card. Just make sure this, what is this one? The silver one, because that's the thing that make contact with the PC's USB. So yeah, facing upward. Before I'm gonna put some instant glue on this one, I'm gonna make sure it's working. Okay, so let's try to test it. Let's go. Here, PC. No flash drive into your PC's USB. Oop. Oh, there you go. Haha. There you go. There's my removable drive. See, you can see it's working. Eject. So basically, the logic in here is, this flash memory chip is so thin it cannot make contact with your PC's USB. All you need to do is make it thicker. That's why I'm doing this, and it can make contact. Okay, so well, if you guys learned something from my video, I want you to like and subscribe. Yeah, I hope you guys stay safe and have a great day. Sanders here. Bye.